Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to add a little bit to this, make it look like it's metal and joined, or try to. Uh, do my best. Anyway, I've got this all grouped together. I'm going to Control G, just make sure. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to move it over where it's about like right in there. The only problem I'm seeing is that where I really want to embellish it, it's not. It's so black right here, but we'll see if it works. What you do then is just take a square about that size, doesn't matter if it's red, white, or blue or whatever. We want to get it like right there we want to make sure it encompasses the whole part, so kind of you can use the middle of the screen, but you kind of want it on this tip right here. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to put another one right there. Now I'm going to come from the outside, and I'm going to combine those. And then I'm going to control, let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to make a duplicate of those by hitting the plus key on the keyboard. Then I'm going to mirror it the other way, and then I'm going to bring it down to about right there. Now, here's kind of the key. You want to grab that one, hold down the shift, and grab that one and combine them. Then you want to hold down the shift key and select that. So now you have those two objects selected. Go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and then grab this one and go up, just grabbing that one item, go up to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. Now you can't really take the Power Clip outlines out, but you could select them both and then right click No Line. And you get that effect where it looks like they're metal that have been joined. I could have done a little better on my shading. I might do a second one to so you could see these points a little better. Matter of fact, let's leave it as it is. I don't like my videos getting so long. But that's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.